channel. Really stoked to share all this video. We had our best day of the year, if not ever. Not only did we catch quantity, but we also caught some big ones. We had 29 pounds on our biggest 5 fish. I had a 7-pounder and 2 5-pounders. And then my buddy Matt, who I was fishing with, I'll have his Instagram linked down in the description. He caught 2 6-pounders and more 2 and 3-pounders than I can even count. It was just an unreal day all around at a brand new spot, golf course spot we'd never fished before. So I'll stop talking. We'll go ahead and get into this one, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna hit back corner. Under the tree, maybe? This pond looks really good. Oh, yep.
Nice.
Toss him back.
All right, I'm gonna go release him down over there. There we go.
Nice, dude.
He's healthy.
Good stuff.
Oh. Wow, he came up and ate it. That was so cool. Hailed that jig. Boom. Toss him back. He was sitting right on the edge, but literally I brought it right up to this edge right here and I watched him come up and eat it. Oh, yep. Got it. Oh! Had a 2, 2.5 right there. Well, I wasn't even recording that, but I just caught this one on that swim jig there. Double. Solid fish too. Toss mine back. There you go. Ooh, that was sick. Oh, yep. No way. Off the skip. Good fish too. Good fish. Oh, that was insane. A little skip cast under there, just under that bridge. Solid 3-pounder, crushed it. 282. Let's go ahead and send him back. Solid fish there. Just under 3 pounds. Crushed that jig off that skip. There he goes.
Big bass.
Big bass?
That's gotta be one of these.
Potentially. Is he right there?
He's like,
Oh, bro, he's got me. Got me. Big fish, big
oh my
fish.
God.
Big fish. Ah. I gotta bring him up here. I gotta bring him up here. That's the best I can do. Here, wait. No, I'll flip him if you want. Yep.
There we go. Nice.
That's the strength of them favorite rods, yes sir. Yeah, one last look, solid fish right there.
It's so weird.
Oh, yep. Yeah, it was a matter of who got to the bridge first. Fish number, I'm not sure. It's another swim jig fish. Whoa. This is where we get bit. Good fish. Biggin. 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 Just flip them. Just flip them. That's a 4-pounder. Easy.
That's not a 4-pounder.
That's a 5 or 6.
Oh my God.
Dude, that's a monster. What a giant, dude. Florida bird right there. So, oh yeah, she's ready. Okay.
What if there's a big one that got trapped in here, dude?
Getting on a crazy swim jig bite at the moment.
I imagine. That's him. That's him.
What in the world? I'm a little tossed. There it goes.
Yeah, I think he hit it.
Oh, yep. Biggin. Not that big.
Not a bad fish.
Solid fish though.
That's not the look.
The bait is gone. All right, hooks out. Send him back. There he goes. Oh, yep, got me. Got it. Biggin. Giant. No, I have a giant. Roush. I'm gonna flip him. Bro. is unreal.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Dude,
so
go
my
on.
GoPro just died when I caught this fish, but this is the biggest one of the day. She ate it right when I was gonna pull it out of the water, and the GoPro stopped recording.